I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today is 16 December 2021. The topic on which I am giving information is types and scope of variables in Java. Let us first know about variables. Variable in Java, variable is a container which stores value when Java program is executed. A data type in Java, variables are assigned with a data type. Variable is a name of a memory location. Variable name variable name is combined of two words that are vary and able. That means its value can be changed. There are mainly three types of variables. First one is local variable, and second one is instance variable, and third one is static variable. Let us first know about local variable. Local variable is a variable which is declared inside a method or constructor of a Java program. Local variable is accessible only within a method or a constructor. It is not known or unknown to other methods and a class. Let us know about the second type of variable, that is instance variable. A variable which is declared outside a method but it is declared inside a class is called as a instance variable. Instance variable is not declared as static. Let us know why it is called as a instance variable. Because instance variable is a instance specific variable. Means its value is assigned to a instance specific variable. It is called instance variable because its value is instance specific. Means its value is not shared with other instances. Let us know about the third type of variable, that is static variable. A static variable is actually an instance variable which is declared as static. To do so, we use a static keyword in front of a instance variable. Static keyword is not used for a local variable. That means local variables are not static. We can create a single copy of static variable, and it is distributed amongst all the instances. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when class is loaded. Let us know about scope of a variable. In programming, scope of a variable gives us its variable's accessibility within a program or across a class. When we declare or define a variable inside a class or inside a method or a constructor, then it will give us accessibility and visibility of variable. A variable which is declared inside a block is not visible from outside the block. If we will try to do this, then it will give a compilation error. Scope of a variable can be nested. A pair of curly braces can give us scope of that variable. scope of a variable which is declared inside these curly braces. On the basis of scope, there are two types of variables. First one is class level variables and second one is method level variables. Let's first know about a class level variable. A class level variable contains instance variables and static variables. Class level variables are the variables which are defined inside a class, but they are defined outside a function or a method. They have a class level scope, means we can access these variables from anywhere inside a class. Access specifiers will not affect the scope of these variables. These does not affect these variables inside a class. Java provides a feature to access these variables from outside a class by following some rules. Number one is if a variable is public, then we can access it inside a class or outside a class and from inside or outside a package. Rule number two is when a variable is protected, then we can use it inside or outside a class or inside or outside a package by using inheritance only. If a variable is a default type, then we can access this variable within a package only. If a variable is a private type, then we can access this variable only inside a class. Class level variables are two types. First one is instance variable and second one is static variable. Scope of instance variable is throughout the class except within a static method. But scope of a static variable is also throughout the class and it can be accessed inside a static method. Let us know about a method level variable. Method level variables are the local variables. A variable which is defined inside a class and it is declared inside a method is called as a local variable. Local variable scope is also called as a method level scope or a block level scope. It is not accessible outside a block or a method. If we will try to do this, then it will give us a compilation error. Thank you.